Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Just because it started raining, it doesn't mean we can't still have fun. Let's begin. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling your body relax as you exhale. Imagine that you are standing outside on a warm summer day. Suddenly, you feel a few raindrops on your skin. As more drops fall, you realize it's starting to rain. Take a moment to embrace the feeling of raindrops on your face, feeling the cool water cleanse and refresh your skin. Allow the sensation to bring a smile to your face as you become aware of the magic that rain can bring. Imagine yourself standing in an open space, surrounded by trees and flowers. Visualize the rain falling gently from the sky, creating a soothing melody as it hits the leaves and the ground. As the rain continues to fall, imagine yourself lifting your arms and turning your face towards the sky. Feel the raindrops dancing on your skin, as if nature is giving you a gentle shower of blessings. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine the rainwater washing away any worries or stress that you may be carrying. Allow the rain to cleanse your mind and body, leaving you feeling refreshed and renewed. Now, imagine yourself running and twirling in the rain. Feel the water splashing against your skin and the sound of laughter bubbling up from within. Allow yourself to fully embrace the joy and freedom of playing in the rain. Picture yourself jumping in puddles, feeling the water splash around your feet. Notice how the raindrops create ripples on the surface of the puddles, like small works of art. As you continue to play in the rain, imagine the scent of wet earth filling the air. Take a moment to breathe in deeply and appreciate the refreshing aroma that comes with a rain shower. Picture yourself holding out your hands, feeling the raindrops gently land in your palms. Imagine the sensation of cool water flowing between your fingers, connecting you with the natural world. As the rain continues to fall, imagine colorful rainbows forming in the sky. Visualize the vibrant colors stretching across the horizon, filling you with a sense of wonder and awe. Now, imagine finding a comfortable spot to sit and watch the rain. Listen to the sound of raindrops falling on different surfaces, creating a soothing symphony. Notice the peacefulness and tranquility that comes with the rain. As you sit and observe, imagine tiny raindrop fairies dancing in the air. Picture them twirling and shimmering, bringing joy and playfulness to the rain. Take a moment to express gratitude for the rain and the joy it brings. Reflect on the beauty of nature and the way it nourishes the earth and everything around us. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the tranquility and sense of playfulness that comes with playing in the rain. Carry the joy and peace of this meditation with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.